Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I am analyzing this stock Axis Bank. If you will watch this stock closely in daily time frame, or you can say monthly time frame, you will find out that this stock is actually trading in this region, okay, in this region. And what has happened to this stock yesterday or day before yesterday is that this stock has actually fallen so well in this channel, okay, and it has also made this pattern, okay. So what can happen in this stock? If the stock comes here again, takes support, and if tries to bounce back, then it will bounce till 690 rupees region and then start to fall. And if this shoulder is getting completed in 4, 5 or 10 trading sessions, then this stock may fall for huge levels, okay. And one more history of this stock I would like to see this history of the stock, the history of this stock, okay. Remove drawings. This is the history of the stock. The stock was stuck in this range, from October 2019 to February 2020, okay. The stock was stuck in this range, and again it has taken resistance of this level only, and it has fallen, okay. It didn't take support at this level, it has given a breakdown below this level. And what can happen again? See, if the stock is making a head and shoulder kind of a pattern in its course of action, then it will go above till 700 690 rupees, then it may fall again and it will give a breakdown if economic conditions are not good, okay. Now what can happen tomorrow? Let's analyze this. Let's remove all of these drawings, okay, and switch to our previous drawing. See, if the stock tomorrow opens flat, okay, there must be a flat sort of a opening. If the stock opens flat, if it goes above this level, you can buy for this target, and if it goes below this level, you can sell for this target, okay. So this would be an easy target for you, okay. Are you getting my point? If the stock goes above these levels, you can say this as your target, this 660 661, and if it goes below this 642, you can sell for the target of 635, or even you can take this to downside level 632, okay. Now what can happen again in this stock? See, if this stock will give a channel breakout or breakdown, suppose this is the channel for this stock, okay, suppose this is the channel for this stock, and if the stock gives a clear breakdown or breakout, it gives a breakdown below this, or if it gives a breakout above this, then you can expect a target of this above this level and below this level, okay. And if you will watch it in EMA context, you will find out that yeah, if it goes below this level, then it can eventually come till 622-25 rupees target, okay. So tomorrow, if tomorrow is a bearish day for this stock, then it will touch 623-24 rupees again, okay, and there it will get support, okay, of this swing low. This swing lows will act as a support for this stock, okay, 615 to 22 rupees region, okay. So take this into consideration. If the stock opens flat and starts to come down as goes up below these levels, this level of 642, then only you can short this stock for 629 620 rupee target, okay. So thank you for watching.